today we're talking about Lynk. You see me? So it's an app that pay you $250 when you sign up. So when you use my link, you get $250. And so you can share it to your friends, they make them use your link and you get $250. Yes, right. So it's a Jamaican app. So if you're from the United States, England, Canada, America, you salt. You see me? So it's a Jamaican app, as I say. So what you gotta do is just so boom, you go you have your face, it'll use a face recognition. You gotta turn your face left, right, blah blah blah. And you want your TRN and your ID as well. So you gotta take it front and back of your TRN. So you see me, you can send, so after you receive the 250, you can buy credit online, you can pay your bill, you can link it to your account as well if you want to do that. You see me? And you can pay other person. So if you want to pay me on 250, you can do it. You see me? So yeah. Also when you first sign up, I say you put in your phone number. Also when it finish, it'll take it'll verify on your email as well. So make sure it asks you it'll send you a link to your email. Boop. Or boom, to verify your account. Isn't it? So after you, let me just sign up as well. So after you verify, right? Hold on. Alright, you can see I already verified for my account because I already get this sticky already. So I already have verified for my account already. So I already get the sticky. So yeah. So after you finish sign up, put in that we're gonna do now. After everything verify, they are coming like this now. You're gonna see this now. So you're gonna put in, you see code in the description or the comment. You put in the code in this now. So you put in the code and submit it. So I get your 250 and then me get my 250 as well. So you can share it to your friends, and basically guys, that's it. So this basically I'm not really doing no long video. So yeah, mostly short video. So if you find this very helpful, please hit the subscribe button, and also remember guys, put in the code. You see me? So me and you can make money. You see me? And if me and you can make money and you make money, you see me? Just put in the code, you see me? And that is it for the video. You see me? You out. Oh yeah. So I kinda end the video and show my account. So me sign up, boom, me get 250, like, you see me? Okay, let's go. Alright, see guys, me get 250. So you see me? So if you're broke, it's a perfect app for you. You can pay bills online as well. You can send money. You see me? So all you gotta do guys is just use my link in the description and you can get 250. As I say, you can't work in UK or other countries. So me say on a salt. So this is a Jamaican app. So and yeah, that's it for the video. And also subscribe. You want selfish people. Just subscribe to the channel. We need help. You see me? Alright.